What's up guys, it's the Cheapster here, and today I have some pretty important news, and I can tell you guys that this news is big today because I actually combed my beard, I'm wearing jeans, it's big news. So this is something I actually talked about back in my channel update video, and that was that in the future we were hoping to buy a house that we'd be able to fix up, so we were looking for one that wasn't in great condition, but obviously in a good area. And this is something I've wanted to do for years. I think it's been like 6 years now. I've really been wanting to buy a house, a fixer-upper, fix it up, and then kind of flip it, but also do a live-in flip kind of thing. And that news is that today we finally bought our house. We actually got it about 3 days ago, and I'm going to be showing you guys a house tour of what the house looks like right now in its current condition. And this is going to be the beginning of our journey of fixing up this house and flipping it probably over the next 2+ years. So let's go ahead and head over there and I will show you guys the house, and we'll do this like, you know, a little bit of a Cheapster crib style. Hello? Who's there?
I come in peace.
Welcome to my crib. This is the main family room, living room. Which one's which? I never know.
I don't know.
It's the room where you hang out and watch TV. That's all I know. So this is where we'll hang out. It's got an old fireplace that is bricked up, but I don't know what we'll do with that yet. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's our house. Yeah. So then from here we've got this room. We'll start you off on the best rooms in the house first. It's stuck, which is, you know,
Oh, okay.
a room.
Oh.
This is very room-like. I really like how the room has 4 walls and a door. It's a great room.
It's got everything you need.
We don't really know what this room was. I think it used to be a porch or something, so I don't know what we'll exactly do with it, so who knows yet. And then if you come in here, you've got another room of some sort. We think that this used to be maybe like I think that actually could have been a sink or something. I don't really know. There obviously was a vent here.
A radiator.
Past, so it's just a random room, but we'll be using this for the bedroom because this is the master, and the master is pretty small. Definitely not a normal master size, especially for this area. So we'll probably be expanding that out, making more of a master. And then if you come in here, we've got the closet, which is actually a pretty big closet. So we'll probably reconfigure that and make that somehow a little bit more into the room, give the room some more room.
I don't think we should take any room away from the closet. We need all the closet space we can get. We'll have to figure something else out.
So this is the bathroom.
So fancy.
Standard bathroom, bath in a room.
Okay.
Some would call that a bathroom. Actually, it's not too bad. Like these vanities really aren't too bad. That's not too bad. Everything works, so that's a plus.
Yep, huge plus.
Yep, small bathroom for a master too, so that's something we'll definitely reconfigure.
Yeah, this space is really wasted right here. It's like just a hallway.
So then if you come all the way around, because it's kind of disconnected, well actually the whole place is pretty disconnected, but this would be what is the dining room right now, which we'll reconfigure this because we'll show you the kitchen in a second, but you might make this part of the kitchen or something. And
we'll open up the wall in between the dining room and living room, so it's not just a narrow doorway. Yeah, a lot of this house will be reconfiguring walls.
And you might be seeing the floors and thinking, oh, look at those nice wood floors. They're actually very bad. There's a lot of huge, deep grooves in them. There's busted up areas, there's a bunch of patches. So actually for us, it's sad to lose the wood floors, but for us moving walls around, that'll be good that we have to just replace the floor anyway. Of course, that's a big cost, but. So then we got a closet there. There's a lot of closet space. It's actually pretty nice how much closets there are, but I don't know how much of them will stay. But if you come in here, this is actually where the laundry room was. One of 2, actually I think there were 3 in this house at one point. But yeah, this is the laundry room. It's got all the hookups and everything. Assuming they work. We haven't tested those yet, I don't think.
Nope.
Maybe our inspector tested them.
I think inspection
probably,
did, yeah.
I'm not sure. And this is our other bathroom down here.
Which is another full bath, yeah, which is really nice.
Got a shower. No tub in here, but got a good shower that Tennyson likes to go in. What, you want a bath? Just drop water on it. Yep. So it's functional. Everything pretty much works, just very outdated. So be good for a live-in flip because everything at least works. There is some stuff that we're going to fix pretty quickly, but for a live-in flip, it's good because it works for now, but we can fix it up as we go.
Mm-hmm. There's another closet right there. And
Closets.
then
they're pretty deep closets.
Yeah,
too.
that
Like,
one's
they got
deep.
A lot of space in them. So.
The other one's really long. And you can see there's a door right there and a door right here. So they like to put lots of doors and separate all the spaces.
Yeah, this room is actually unlike any of the other rooms because instead of having 4 walls, it has 4 doors. And 4 walls actually, so this is a room of all rooms. So then if you come in here, this is where they have the kitchen. It's a pretty big kitchen, honestly, and the appliances all stayed. Actually, here in South Carolina, apparently fridges don't usually stay, so that's pretty cool that we got to keep that fridge. Dishwasher's pretty nice, and the stove is pretty nice, so definitely got some good appliances in here. And it's big, so that's gonna be really nice for us because we've never had a big kitchen. Every kitchen we've had is pretty much one person can fit in, and that's it. So this will be nice for the time. But we're gonna redo this a ton. The cabinets aren't too bad, but they're not like custom cabinets, which is what we'd wanna do for this kind of area. So we'll be taking those out, maybe repurpose those later, but.
It's nice that we can both be in the same room at one point, but it is a little tight with like the fridge, loading the dishwasher, like it's a little tight, but hey, we can both be in the same room.
If you can open the oven
and
true. Open the fridge, that's a plus for us.
And the dishwasher at the same time.
Yeah, we've never been able to do that
You'll be
in
trapped.
any place we've lived, so that's a pretty big plus for us.
Yeah, this is its own room too, because there's a door right there which blocks it off, and then that door. So it kind of feels like you're in a bedroom.
Obviously, this wasn't the kitchen at one time because you can see the window like actually goes down. So this used to be a different type of room. I don't know what it was, but they've obviously moved the kitchen from somewhere at some point. So that's the kitchen. So now let's head upstairs. So for reference, if you're getting a little confused, this used to be a door. You can tell this used to be a doorway, and this is drywall over now, and that is actually into the first bedroom, the master. So that's where the house would have been able to walk around in a circle, but now they've closed it off, so you have to walk back to get all the way over here. But here's the stairs up. So up here, you can see it's pretty old looking. If you look to the sides here, it's actually like shiplap, it's planking, that's the actual wall. This is not paneling, like this is actually wood planking, which is pretty cool, but for what we probably want to do to reconfigure up here, I'm not sure how much of that we can save. I would like to save most of it if we could, because I think it really gives character to up here, but we'll see what we can do. So first, starting out here on the right, this is a nice big room. This would be one of the bedrooms that we would have when we go sell the house. And it's got a really cool shape to it. Like this goes with the roof line. So this is like the roof right above here. That's why it slopes down. But for what I'll be using this for, this will be the most important room for you guys, because this is actually gonna be my film studio, which is gonna be amazing. I'm gonna put my desk there, probably, that's what I'm thinking, and then be able to have all this room for my stuff. And that's just gonna be super fun, because right now, you can't really see on camera, but the room I'm in is pretty cramped. It looks very clean from what you can see, kind of. Sometimes there's boxes that show up behind me, and that's because the whole room is just packed with stuff, so it'll be really nice to have this big space. So then the next room we have here is this one, which is a little bit weird. It's, I guess this would be a bedroom too. A lot of these rooms up here would be good for like a kid's bedroom and stuff. That one's like a decent size for an adult, but this would be good for a kid. Some of this is kind of cool too if you're a kid living up here. And then there's this closet back here, which is pretty dark. You probably can't see super well, but that's just like a space with a mirror right now, so it looks like it's a lot bigger, but that's just a mirror.
The angles of the ceilings up here are really cool. It was a big selling feature for me because I love that kind of feel.
Yeah, it's got some good character up here. For us, what I think we'd use this area for is for my eBay stuff. So I run an eBay store, so I've got tons of stuff. That's also what's in my studio right now. So splitting my stuff in that office between these two rooms is gonna be amazing, because I'm actually wanting to get more into eBay as time goes on. So this will give me plenty of space to be able to buy stuff and sell it here.
Is that a quarter? Oh, no, it's a grape.
Dang it.
The floor's so dusty.
That would have lowered our price by a quarter. So then if you come out here, back to the hallway, start with this bathroom. which is pretty small, but at least there is a bathroom up here. The way that this used to be, this whole house, it was 2 rentals. So Tyson loves to go in that bathtub. The way it used to be was 2 rentals, and it was the upstairs here, it was 1 rental, and the downstairs was 1 rental. And that's why that stairwell is really blocked off, so they could come in through the back and get up here. So one of the big things we'll do is make this house one cohesive single family home, not an apartment like it is. Maybe Tyson will live up here. Actually, I think he wants this.
Yeah.
He loves this.
I know, I don't know why.
He hates bats, so I don't know why he loves this. But yeah, it's a pretty small shower. It would be pretty hard. I mean, you'd really have to bend down to shower, so we'll definitely do something with this. Pretty much the whole house,
Yeah.
we're gonna do something with it. If I didn't say that we were doing something with it, we probably are.
Yeah, it's got a really great little sink. It's really tiny. Tyson's in the tub again.
Hey buddy, nice to meet you. Are you the tub man? That's good. High fives.
Why do you like the tub, bud? You feel safe? Do you think it's a trick? Are you being cool? Are you a cool dude? It's got a little closet there too, which is kind of cool. Oh, you can see what the original wood used to be.
Yeah, so it used to not be
Over.
painted. Which it still looks like it's in pretty good condition. That's why I
Yeah.
like to be able to use it if it can, but we'll see. So then the last room up here is this room, which is of course the kitchen.
Of course.
You would expect it to be a kitchen. So this is part of what makes like the house really impractical right now, is stuff like this, because this used to be an apartment, so somebody living here was using this as a kitchen. So pretty much all this stuff would just be torn out here. And there's even some big space over here. So it's a pretty big room. The only thing that's wrong with it is this is actually the stairwell. So this takes up so much space. This could be taken out, but this takes up a bunch of the floor space up here to make this something. So we've talked about possibly moving the stairs. I know that that would be really expensive and a pain to deal with, and I don't know how we can do it for the floor plan exactly, because you have to have the headspace for code and all that kind of stuff. But if we could get rid of this and make this room something better, that would be a lot better for this upstairs area. But just tearing this out alone will open this room up a lot more and get rid of that stuff.
Yeah, this sink though, I think is super cool. It's really old.
This to me looks like a baby changing table. Every time I see it, I think it's like a baby changing table on a sink or something.
Yeah.
That's weird to me.
You've obviously never changed a baby's diaper. I mean, I kind of get it.
So now I'll take you guys outside and show you my nice great lawn. So this is our nice green grass that you can see down here. We have such a nice green, lush yard. It's super green. If you zoom in here, you can see there's green. It looks really nice. Can't wait to mow that. But no, for real, we're gonna have to tear this up and put down some grass. So this is not just a big giant parking lot here. So now we're actually gonna take you over to the second house. That's right, there is a second house.
Yo, what's up? Welcome to my crib.
That's your cheapster crib style?
Yeah.
This is house number 2 with our second dog, Tyson. It's a little dark in here. Why?
Oh, you're
I'm
asking
asking
me?
you.
Because there's no power, because this house is on a different meter than that house, and we didn't know, so.
And because the
They'll be
electric
on
company
tomorrow.
shut off our power throughout the whole weekend, so
Yeah.
for no reason, even though we told them we were moving. Fun. Home ownership, already fun.
This is the living room. You come right on into it, but it came with all the furniture, TV, and everything. So that's a nice little added bonus. This is the bedroom, which is pretty good size, considering it's a little tiny house. It's got a pretty big closet right here.
Oh no, there I am. Oh shoot. It's very grainy, sorry, because it's hard to see and I have to put on a wide angle, so.
We've got,
There's a HVAC system in here that is flooded, so we gotta deal with that. That'll be fun.
yeah, that'll be a nice big project probably. Okay, then we have the kitchen, which is honestly pretty good size. They've made it pretty functional. It even has a little mini dishwasher right here and a little mini stove top. So it's pretty cool, but we've got some ideas for changing it. And then we have the bathroom, which I'll just like go in there.
It's a
not
little
really
small.
big enough for 2.
Toilet is very close to the wall, And you can't really see, but there's the shower. It's very, very small. Very hard to fit in there. But that's pretty much it for this house, and this house we'll hopefully be using for a rental. So we'll fix this up, use it as a rental of some kind. Really awesome that this place had this house. We did not expect to find something like this. This was like literally everything we could have asked for. So super exciting, super fun.
It's a good little first project to work on, work our way up to the main house.
Yeah, but tons of work between this and the main house. It's gonna be a lot of work. This is my space, not the website, just it's my space.
Is this your man cave?
It's a little dark in here, so you probably can't see, but this is a nice big garage shed that I can use as like a workroom, so I can be able to do stuff for the house and for whatever else in here, so it'd be great. Needs some work though. The roof has a hole in it over there, and the roof is really bad on top of it, so stuff will have to fix up there, but it's great to have this little space. So that's our house. There's a lot of work to do, but I think that this is, honestly, we found such an awesome place. There's so much potential here with what we can do to the house, and having that rental in the back is just completely awesome.
Yeah, we're very excited. It's gonna be a ton of work, but we're ready for it, hopefully.
It's gonna be a ton of work that I'm pretty much gonna be doing while Elizabeth sits around and looks at me. No, you'll help out.
I'll help a lot. I'll do all the designing.
Yeah, Tyson will do absolutely nothing. Lazy boy. But that's pretty much it. So stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna do a lot of videos through the process of fixing this up. Through the whole thing, I'll show you all the stuff that we do and the projects that we get done, and show you exactly what it was like. And then hopefully to the end with the selling, I'll show you guys what it was like and everything that we go through with this process. All right guys, so it has come to the point of the video that you've seen the house, so you know what to do. You don't have to go home, but you gotta get the cheap out of my house.
That's cheap. You still haven't subscribed? Oh my god.